so excited today, as always, but really excited because I'm here with Megan.
Well, thanks for having me. I am Megan Lucas, and I'm a cake eater. I love to eat cake. Eating cake is one of the greatest gifts of my life. Actually, thank you, Gabrielle, for having me today. I'm super excited about this. My name is Megan Lucas, and I'm the CEO and Chief Economic Development Officer with the Lynchburg Regional Business Alliance. We do all sorts of things from professional development, business training, business counseling, workforce development, talent development, all sorts of things. Anything that has to do with commerce, growing and sustaining commerce in the region. And that's what you do. I mean, with these amazing cakes in your business, you're a valuable part of the economy. And whether it's a small business or a large business, the Alliance is engaged.
That is amazing, right guys?
And we like cake.
I just want to thank you so much.
Thanks, and I thank you for helping us remember we always got to have fun and find joy in all of our days. And today, this is joy. I cannot wait. I cannot wait for this cake.
Oh, awesome. Okay, so I'm surprising you. You're going to make a 3D triple flavor M&M cake. So what that means is it's going to look like it's all falling all over the cake.
Oh my goodness.
It's going to be so amazing. It's going to look like they're all poured out. So we're going to have 3 different ones and it's going to be wild. So hold on, it's going to be great. So I'm going to start here and show you kind of how we're going to do this concept, okay? The first thing is, it would be really cool if we can get maybe 3 different sizes of the M&Ms, like as far as height. So I'm going to cut some of these dowel rods and just kind of stick them in. You stick them in.
Okay.
Yeah, where we're going to put them and where we're going to have the M&Ms be. So these are kind of big too, so I might have to like go off camera and cut them.
They are thick.
They're
thick
really
dowel
thick.
rods.
Yes, they are.
How long have you been making cakes?
About 10 years.
And where did you learn? How did you learn?
So I'm self-taught. Yeah.
Isn't that great?
It's really awesome. A lot of trial by a lot of error, I tell everybody.
Do you, after being in the business, so, when I make a cake at home, I have to lick the bowl, lick the beaters, and I have to share with my husband. But when you do it for a profession, do you get to lick the beaters or the bowls or the spoons?
No, we try not to have any of the ingredients at all. We just get to watch it all day.
That's smart.
And we like, when I say we, me and my Auntie Sophia, my mom and my husband, everyone who's there helping, we just kind of work, and because we're around it all day, it's nothing for us.
Probably smart, keeps you from hating cake.
Right.
Because you eat it every day, right?
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
Oh,
so I think this guy is going to be the big one. So I'll
okay.
go on this one. So I think in the center, if you just kind of set it right in the center.
You want this one to go down in the middle?
I think so.
Now, I have no idea what I'm doing. And she just sprung on me what the design is. So she baked the cake and did this beautiful icing on it. So look how it's nice and smooth this is. And you're going to ruin it by shoving this down the middle. Straight down the middle?
Straight down the middle. All the way till you touch the board.
Right there?
Yes, that's perfect.
All right. Oh, local fruit.
Oh, local fruit. I was like, oh no.
It's going, and it's all the way down.
That's perfect. Yes.
Yay,
so
look at that, everybody.
The other 2, we're going to put one that's going to be tall, probably up to here, and the other one is going to be a little bit shorter. And that's good, right there. And then this one can go even lower.
Okay. Does it need to be symmetrical, or?
You can put it right there, it's fine.
Okay, and then it needs to be a little shorter.
And a little bit shorter, yes. Because we're going for 3 different sizes here. Perfect.
Okay, look, I'm done. Didn't I do a great job?
That's wonderful.
I decorated cake. Now, how did you decide to name your bakery? How did you come up with the name?
So I came up with the name just looking at some paints, okay? Because I was thinking about what colors are pretty for a storefront for a bakery. And I thought, Sugar Blush is a pretty color, that color. And then I was like, Sugar Blush Bakery, why not? That's an awesome idea, I guess.
It's a great name, Sugar Blush Bakery. Yeah, I like the alliteration. It gives a great color, and it's just really a great name. And so, did you start out with that name right away, or did you change it?
So I had another name. It was called Baking Beauties, way back. But that's when I was doing makeup too.
Oh.
So now it's like just
makeup for cakes.
Well, I guess, yeah, makeup for
Makeup
cakes.
for cakes.
So that's why I guess Sugar
Yeah.
Blush is a good name.
Yeah, Sugar Blush is a great name. And what are you gonna do with this cake? Because people, I don't get this cake. I'm not gonna sit here with a fork and eat it, although I could. But what happens? You've got this great pattern going, trend where you get odd people like me, business people and community leaders to help decorate a cake. But then what do you do with the cake?
Oh, wonderful people like you make this possible. And I just take the cake and we put it up for just like every week we've done. It's a giveaway. You know what? I've heard, do some wonderful baking.
I do like to bake, but I don't do the decorating.
Well, that ends today,
That's
right?
Right here, I'm a world-class decorator now.
So this is all we're going to do here. Okay, so in order to get this kind of 3D look, what we're going to do is we're going to add some buttercream, just like this. And I'm going to do the first one, and then I'll let you do the other one.
Okay.
So here, we're going to take this little side that we've opened like this, and we're going to put it around the dowel rod. And it's incredible because
After we've iced?
Yes. Because that's how we get it to stay in place. Yes.
You couldn't just staple it?
Yeah.
Because that's what I did.
I don't know if stapling would work, but see, now you're going to have the illusion that it is actually being poured out.
So you're not going all the way down with the paper.
Correct, yes.
I
so
got
just
it.
right here, yes.
And I like, I was telling you when I was younger, my mother, I asked for a Wilton cake decorating set because I thought you had to have the fancy stuff. And I've only used it once, and since then I just use a Ziploc bag.
Yes.
And I'm so excited to see you use Zippies too.
You know the secret, girlfriend.
Okay, so I need to do the front right here.
Yes.
All right, everybody, I'm going in for actual decorating.
This is going to be awesome. Woohoo! Check you out.
Look at me.
This is amazing.
Yeah, guess what? I'm going on cake challenge next.
I think so. Look, nailed it. We got
Do I
nailed
need
it.
to do more? Or?
I think that's good. I think that's good for now. And all you have to do here is you can just set it there or set it here however you want.
Okay.
To do it.
It's going to be kind of going the same way.
Hey, you know what? Why don't you just save that one for the other side?
I agree, because then
and
it's
we'll
got
do
a better...
Yeah, we'll do this one for this side here. And
That's called artistic license, changing your mind in the middle of a decoration. Oh, but I could go ahead. You want me to go ahead and do this rod?
Yeah, sure. You're on a roll, honey.
Look, I am so on a roll.
That's awesome.
Get the icing in the bag.
This is wonderful.
And look, I'm squeezing.
Wonderful.
It's a little intimidating.
Oh, it's okay. And if you have to shove it down there a little bit more, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay, good. There you go.
Wonderful.
Oh, y'all, wait till you see it from this side.
We'll wait till we have the grand reveal. That's awesome.
Is that right?
Yes, that's perfect.
All right. So
She
what?
she has an artistic eye.
What is your favorite M&M?
I like the peanut ones. Okay,
Yeah.
I love them. They're very, very good.
Yeah, I like that peanut. I think if I were going to be stranded alone on a desert island with one M&M, I would choose the peanut butter.
You would?
I would. Yeah.
See, we're all different.
Yeah, I would choose the peanut butter.
That's amazing. That's so awesome. Well, here, you can actually, at this point, if you wanted to, you could take any M&M. You could probably do, these are the plain ones.
Okay.
So you can start just putting them there.
Okay.
You can actually use some of this buttercream to help kind of seal it in if you want to, like glue.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then just start sticking, these gloves.
I know, the gloves.
And I suppose, I don't want to use red because I want it to show up.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah,
So,
use whatever you
Which now
want
needs
there.
orange and those don't show up.
That's okay. There's going to be M&Ms everywhere, so trust me, it's totally fine.
Look at this.
Oh, that's totally fine.
I suppose I should have asked, should the M be facing out or in, or does it
No,
matter?
it doesn't matter. Because when you have a whole rainbow array of different M&Ms, you just don't even care. Because when you throw it out of a bag,
Yeah, you don't
it looks
care.
more realistic.
All right.
That's awesome.
Okay,
Very, very
yeah.
good. So here are some other ones here.
All right,
The
are
peanut
these-
ones, you have to be a little bit more
Are these
strategic.
peanut?
Yes, because the peanut ones are a little bit heavier.
Yeah.
So you want to kind of like start at the bottom and work your way to the top and just kind of stack them so that they're kind of like sitting on each other so that they don't droop down and fall down.
Oh, that's too much pressure.
Oh no, you got it, girlfriend. That's awesome. You are a master. Check her out, guys. She's doing awesome. This is amazing. Very, very good.
My only experience with this is that I eat cake and I watch the Food Network on a regular basis.
You're doing incredible job.
Yeah.
Really, really awesome. It's okay. Listen,
3D cake.
they're going to go all over the cake. So if they fall, it's okay. We're going to arrange them all so it looks like a beautiful stream, river of wonderful M&Ms.
Beautiful M&Ms. You know, the M&Ms, such a great candy and really a great business story when you think about how M&Ms were created.
What is the business story? Because I'm sure everybody there doesn't know. I know I don't know.
I'm going to get it mostly right and mostly wrong. But M&Ms were really started as a candy to go in MREs, ration meals for our military in war. And so they wanted to eat chocolate. Hershey's, actually, we used to send Hershey's bars in our MREs, but they would melt. And so Hershey, I think it was, I can't remember if it was Hershey or M&M Mars. Look at the back.
These are Mars, yeah.
Yeah, so M&M Mars came up with this idea of this candy coating. And that's how we got M&Ms. And they would go to war. They would be sent over, see, they're going to slide. They're
totally
sent overseas or sent to battle in MRE packets for our men at the time, just men in the military. Of course, the females were nurses, but yeah.
I had no idea. That is
it's one of the country's oldest candies.
See, that's probably why we did an M&M cake today. See, I didn't even know that story. That's really awesome.
And we try. Okay, see how that's coming together?
That is awesome.
But it does want to slip, doesn't it?
It's okay. Trust me, it's totally fine.
Okay.
And as soon as we put it in the fridge, everything's going to just stick together.
Tighten back up.
And it won't move at all. So that's pretty, it's
Do
pretty
you
awesome.
want to use the other M&Ms or can I just keep decorating with this?
So you can just put those at the base here.
Okay.
And then out of the peanut ones, the peanut butter ones, we'll use these guys. Actually, I think those were the peanut butter ones. It's okay.
Yeah,
You know what? Who knows? You're serious.
That was peanut butter.
So, okay guys, so here, what we're gonna do now is cover it with M&Ms all over the top. And if you wanna just put a couple there on that side, you can.
Okay. For this stick?
Yeah, for that stick, go ahead. So it just looks like it's falling right out.
Being poured out M&Ms.
Yeah, and you can even use some of these guys too if you want to. This all looks like one big happy M&M family.
Look everyone, I'm decorating a cake
This is wonderful.
with Sugar Blush Bakery.
Yes. Amazing, amazing.
And so how many cakes do you sell a year?
Oh gosh, we've done thousands of cakes.
And you just do cakes?
Cupcakes,
Cakes, cupcakes,
cake pops,
cake
cake
pops.
popsicles.
Now, like I told you, I'm a little addicted to. I'm just putting these on. I mean,
That's perfect.
I'm a little addicted to the I love the Food Network with the cake challenges. And
Yes.
do you get stuck watching those? And
I actually don't watch television, to tell you the truth.
good for you.
Not that it's by choice,
Yeah.
but when I try to sit down and watch television, I fall asleep.
No, Yeah, you're not alone in that.
Yeah, I guess, my husband always tells me that too. He's like, she'll be out in 2 minutes. It's always true.
That is
It's
so
always
true.
Oh my gosh.
I always tell my husband I have 2 speeds: fast and asleep. Because if I'm allowed to sit down, that I just want to go to sleep.
I'm the same way, honey. It's fast-paced life. It's the world by day and our beds by night.
So I'd love to know the people who end up with this cake or who've gotten your cakes. What people are saying about your cakes. What do they love most about your cakes? And what's the funnest cake you've ever done?
The funnest one I ever did was a huge, I believe, if I could think back,
yeah?
a huge giant panda that was like this big. Remember that one, Auntie? That was huge. Yes. Big giant buttercream panda. That was the funnest one.
I love that.
Of course, we love giving cupcakes away, so that's really fun too, the experience, but actually technically making the cake, that was pretty awesome.
Well, what's the biggest cake? Is that also the biggest cake you've ever done?
Oh, wow, no, that's not the biggest one. We've done huge cakes. I mean, really big cakes. Yes.
So you do specialty orders?
Yes, that's primarily what we do is custom cake orders. So,
Really?
yeah.
So could you do a cake with our logo on it?
Absolutely. I can
That
do
would be
it.
really
I could
fantastic.
do it. I would love to do that. That's really fun for me.
Are we going to stick more?
We are.
We're
We are
sticking
gonna,
more.
We're going to make it look like it's just falling down all over here. So we're putting this buttercream on here as like a glue. And we're just going to finish sticking all these guys so it looks like a beautiful bunch of M&Ms just falling all over the cake.
I love M&Ms. I love chocolate.
You did a beautiful job.
It's fun to do. Thank you for inviting me to do this.
Absolutely.
And I'm so glad that you chose our region to do business. Are you from here?
I am.
We moved here. My husband Tori and I moved here from Nebraska.
Really?
Yeah, 10 years ago. Success is simple here, and you know, we've got the Blue Ridge Mountains, the Smith Mountain Lake, the James River. There's just so much great trail system throughout the city of Lynchburg and the counties. So much great to offer. Yeah. But the people. It's the people.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's true. You just look out, so you have a beautiful environment, you have wonderful friends, wonderful family, people who actually care and who want to help each other. It's just beautiful.
What kind of cake is this? Did you tell us at the beginning? I can't remember.
Yeah, it's a chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry cake inside, so it's Neapolitan. Oh my goodness. Isn't that awesome? Whoa. You should be so proud. Look at her.
There's no better way to end the day.
No
I'd
better
like to
way.
do this every afternoon.
I think you should. Thank you so much for tuning in. And Megan, thank you so much. It's amazing. Thank you for everything.
Thank you for thinking of me. This has really been a lot of fun. I can't wait to see who gets this cake and continue to enjoy your success.
Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you guys. See you next time.